This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Pristine Clean Power Washing.
Well, summertime means more time spent outside, and if you're out looking at your roof, you're going, uh-oh, something needs cleaned here. What do we do? Well, we have some help, and we're talking some professional help. Ken Wilson, owner of Pristine Clean, is here once again to tell us, well, we need to watch out not only for the house and the driveway and all that, but don't forget what's on top of the house.
Absolutely, yeah. It's roof month, right? And
Happy
so we're really
roof month.
Focusing in June on the roof, right? Whether it's the black streaks that are growing up on the north and east side of your roof, or being able to renew your roof, like to actually bring new life to your roof. We're making some roofing manufacturers hate us a little bit because they want to sell new shingles, right? We can fix a lot of that.
A lot of people think that's just what happens with age, like you mentioned the streaks. I mean, one thing we can definitely tell is the mold. I mean, that's not supposed to be there, but these streaking things that happen, you just assume that you just got to live with it.
And that's why we're calling June Roof Month, because there's awareness that needs to be made, and it's called gliocapsomagma. It's a mouthful, right? Those black streaks are actually a photosynthesizing bacteria that's eating the limestone filler in your shingles. And shingles are made, to be fireproof, and they put all that in there. Well, it's a buffet on your roof, and the bacteria is eating that off. So we can get rid of that with our roof wash, which, a lot of people don't know that actually you can make that completely go away and make your roof look brand new.
Roof Renew, tell me about it.
Yeah, so Roof Renew is a new service that we started, and that's where we can take the oils that were lost through the years of UV rays and just infuse those back into the roof. So you can get new, 5 to 15 years more life out of your roof rather than replacing it.
You mentioned oils. People don't realize that shingles are actually made from oils and rock, and so those are all infused when you bought them, and when they were new, dries out over time.
Yeah, and back in the 70s, I wouldn't have had a job, but because the way they're making shingles, they're putting a lot less petroleum in it, a lot more of the fillers, those oils sap out pretty quick. And so what our service will do is to infuse the oil right back into the shingle, giving it more life.
All right, Ken, we've spoken many times. I've been on location with you, and I've seen what you do. Aside from the roof, let's make sure people realize what Pristine
Clean. I mean, yeah, if you need anything exterior on your house washed, either your roof, your siding, your concrete, driveway, decks, patios, fences, we'll wash it all. That's what we do. We're a full-service patio company. Full-service power washing company, but right now we're just really focusing on roofs because that's what a lot of people want.
One of my favorite things about you is you're homegrown.
Yeah, right from here.
Let's talk about how you started this whole business.
It's kind of a funny story. It was just McDonald's money, right? Me and a buddy went out gutter cleaning, and we just decided, hey, let's make a go of this, and we did, and we grew our list on a little legal pad for years, and then we added Pristine Clean as well. The Gutter Boys and Pristine Clean are sister companies.
How many years total you've been doing it?
It was since 2001.
I'll do the math later.
That's right. Yeah.
23 years. That's incredible. All right. For more information, all you have to do is give them a call here. Celebrate Roof Month with a new looking roof. 440-454-7041, pristineclean.com. We appreciate it, Ken. Always a pleasure.
Joe, thanks so much.
You bet. All right, let's send things over to Catherine.
It's officially summer, and